So now that I know how many Kcls I need, I can draw the, I'm gonna use maybe brown again, to draw a cloud around my supernode so that I know not only where the Kcls will be, but also which supernode expressions I need. So look, VA and VD, because of the 10 volts, they make a supernode. VB and VC also here will make a supernode. And then VE and VG also. So this allows me to very quickly see how many terms the Kcl will have. And then the 1K doesn't have any current label. And this, oh, this doesn't even have any label. Not even, it's, let's make it an 8K. So all the currents that are not defined, I need to define them. But on the 3K, there is a definition of a current. It's going that way because V3 is going this way. Everybody else, I'm gonna just draw, I don't know, going up or to the right. Well, this one's going down. This one's going down then. And this one's going this way. So now I need to write the Kcls just following these current directions, and I'm going to use the sub index for the current, the number of the resistor. So I1 is going to be the current through 1K, I6 is going to be through 6K, I3 through 3K. And for supernodes, I need the supernode expressions. And here the 10 volts, I'm going to make whatever the positive side is minus the negative side. So it's going to be VD minus VA equals 10 volts. And here it'll be VC minus VB equals whatever it says here to V1. And here VG minus VE is 5 volts, and in class somebody asked, what if it were minus 5 volts? Then you just write minus here. I'm not going to write it now because it's going to be confusing for this problem. And now we need the Kcls. And I'm going to start VA and VA, VD Kcl. Don't write equal here because it's not an equal sign. VA and VD, then I'm going to go all currents coming in equals all currents coming out. And so I am looking at both the pink and this blue here, and there is a current, there are these two currents coming in, which are I1 plus 10 milli equals I8 plus I3 plus I2. If you don't understand this, make a comment on this video so that I explain it in more detail. And now I'm going to make the VBVC Kcl, which will be this 2K and the 3K coming in, and the 4K coming out. So, I mean the I4 coming out. And we're going to do the same thing for each one of them. The only one that's not a supernode is the VF. And I'll do the same thing. I4 is now coming into that node. I5 is I6. And this guy here is the last Kcl. It's the VG Kcl. Oh man, sorry. Which is I8 is 20 milli. Oopsie, no. It is I8 plus 20 milli equals 5. I5. Okay, I'm having problems here. So you may ask, what's up with the ground? So first, the ground is shorting the 7K and the 3V3. So the 3V3 current supply. There is no Kcl for ground in nodal analysis. So we are done finding all the Kcls and finding the supernode expressions. Next steps will be, it's the Ohm's law for each current. and I'm gonna do this in the next video, but each one of these, I1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we're gonna write KCLs following this labeling that we did.